Many photographers struggling with studio lights not because they don't understand the lighting, it's because the gear they're using is limiting them. I'm not talking about something like powerful strobe light or fancy light modifiers. I'm talking about something very basic, the light stand. If you're working with a light stand long enough, you'll notice that sometimes instead of they working for us, we have to work around them. I say this because the light stand has two major problems. The first one, light stand can limit the position of your light. When you're using those classic lighting position like a Rembrandt lighting, shore lighting, or broad lighting, you can easily do this with a light stand. But when you need to do some different lighting position, for example, like overhead lighting, you'll find out it's almost impossible to do with a light stand. The design of a light stand doesn't allow you to put your light down vertically. Depends on the size of light modifier you're going to use. Sometimes you find out it probably only allow you to pointing down in a 45-degree angle. Even if you're okay with this like a compromised lighting angle for overhead lighting, it's almost impossible to do without the light stand showing in the frame. It's absolutely impossible to do this if you're doing some wider shot, for example, like a full body shot. So your solution could be either you use Photoshop or you simply just not shooting that angle. So instead of you shooting whichever light angle you can do, you're actually only using the light angle that your gear allow you to do. So that's the first problem. The second problem is you will find out using light stand could be very tedious or labor intense. This is what I mean. In a typical photo shoot, we all trying to get the most variety out of one single photo shoot. That requires to change the lighting effect because when we're shooting in studio, there's really not much variety we can do. Like we can change the background, we try different posing, and then the most important thing from the photographer perspective is the lighting. So we want to try different lighting effect. So that requires us to change the lighting position constantly. And then when you're working with a light stand, you will find out could be a very tedious process. So every time you change your lighting position, you need to do is like you need to do a lighting test, and then you do a test shot, you take a look at the back of your camera, and then you make an adjustment on the light again. So this requires you constantly have to leave your camera there, walk to the light stand, and then change the position either more to the left or right, or tilt up and down, or raise or lower the light. And this is a major interruption for your workflow. Not just that, and especially when you have to lift the light up and down and when you're using a very heavy lighting setup, you can find out this whole process can be very labor intensive. It's almost a photo shoot feels like going to a gym. And if this is something that people are really reluctant to do, the chances like you're probably not going to do it very often. So this is why the many photographers, when they shoot in the studio, they basically just go with their like a 1 or 2 lighting setup, just constantly shooting that way. They're trying to use a different outfit or background to build a variety. And it's not very good because not just like a limited look for your photo shoot, they also actually make you being less creative. So this could be an even bigger issue for us as a photographer. So is there a solution for this? The answer is absolutely yes. The solution is something very simple, which is boom arm. Boom arm can solve all these problems we just mentioned. For example, the overhead lighting, like you can easily do this overhead lighting by pointing your light 90 degrees downward and without your light stand even showing the frame. It's very easy to do this with a boom arm. And with boom arm, because if your boom arm is long enough, you can pretty much stand your like a shooting position, make changes to your lighting position without even move too far away. You can just like use the boom arm. And then talking about raising or lower the light, instead of raising or lower when you're using the light stand, with boom arm, you don't raise or lower the light, you just pivot. So the whole process is gonna be a lot easier and then just much more fun when you're doing a photo shoot. And then when the process is much easier, you're just more likely to try different lighting positions. So it's just gonna make the whole photo shoot a lot more creative, a lot more fun. Of course, there are many different types of boom arms, and the price range is it varies a lot. The price varies a lot. So which type of boom arm you should choose? Let me just give you some of the suggestions based on my own experience. I tried many types of boom arm. I tried the cheap one, and then I went for something that I think is heavy duty enough. End up To summarize to one sentence, really is that you should just buy the best one for boom arm, because boom arm is not just like you need to make sure that things are stable, you're able to hold the weight. It's like if your system is not strong enough, it's actually a safety concern, because things could fall, and then not the problems like the equipment get damaged, also people could get injured. So for that reason, I just recommend you just get the best you can. If you're not there yet, just rent one. I would like to just show you the boom arm I'm using currently, and I've been using this boom arm for like 5 years, and then I can tell you I will never look back. So the boom arm I'm using is a Manfrotto Mega Boom. This is pretty much the best boom arm you can find in the market, and then because the boom arm is very, very heavy duty, it allows you to handle very heavy light setup, and then the boom arm can reach very long. And not just that, the boom arm has a very unique control system. Many of the boom arms basically has a friction arm. Basically, if you want to adjust angle, you have to hold you have to lose the friction arm, and then you pivot the light to one angle, you have to hold it, and then you have to tighten the friction arm again. And then you have to make sure you really tight the friction arm, because otherwise it could slowly tilt down. But for this, it's different, because the Manfrotto Mega Boom, they use a different mechanism. It's basically use this crank arm. So they have 4 different crank arms, which allow you to control the extension and the retraction of the boom arm. You can make it boom arm longer or shorter. You can rotate the boom arm, so that way you can rotate your light up and down, and then you can also pan your light left and to right, and then you can also use the crank arm to pivot the light up and down. So the whole system is just like very easy to use and doesn't take much effort. And like controlling like a crank arm is it's like everyone can do it. Also, one thing I want to point out is I'm not sponsored by Manfrotto. I purchased this whole setup full price myself, and I've been using this system for 5 years. And everything I tell you is my true feeling about how this system works for me. And then because this boom arm is super heavy, I think the boom arm itself weighs around 60 pounds, and then it requires a very, very stable light stand. It's for a good reason, because you really need the whole system to be very stable. If you have a very stable and heavy weight lighting, light stand system, and then the whole system is going to be much stabler. So for the light stand, I choose the Avenger, and it's a wind-up light stand. It has a very large footprint, which is essential for a boom arm system. And for this light stand, you can easily get away without using any sandbags. And then the light stand has the wheel, which allow me to easily to move the lights around. So I've been using this light setup for 5 years, and I absolutely love it. So if you're serious about studio lighting, I strongly recommend you invest in a really good boom arm system. It's a system that's gonna last you a very, very long time. It's an investment you will never regret.